We don't want Cindy's death to be in vain.
Just days after a deadly attack on the Giambalvo family in Arroyo Grande, a fundraiser was set up, but not just for the family. I'm your community reporter, Michaela Richardson, looking into the family's efforts on creating Cindy's Law. Step inside the Giambalvo family home, and the community's support displayed in cards lining the mantle is immediately clear.
I just really want to say that everyone has helped out in every way imaginable.
Joseph and Cindy Giambalvo were stabbed multiple times while at home the night of September 18th. Cindy did not survive. Their daughter Laura Giambalvo tells me her parents were unaware of the suspect's release from a state hospital days before the break-in and attack, and adds the restraining order the couple had against him had also expired.
Through this whole process, we've realized that the victims really don't have very much say when it comes to the longevity of restraining orders and notifications when either the restraining order lapses or when a criminal or mentally criminal person gets out.
Laura says the family doesn't want Cindy's life to go in vain. Now they're turning their efforts to creating Cindy's Law, which will help people with restraining orders be more aware of their status.
We want to do everything that we can to help other victims, and we need to have a positive drive forward.
San Luis Obispo County District Attorney Dan Dow says forming a law like this could take about a year.
The idea would be proposed, hopefully, by our local representatives, either in the Senate or in the Assembly, and then it would go to committee, and then ultimately it would go to each House floor for a vote. And if it passes both, then it would go to the governor for the governor to sign into law.
Laura tells me Dow is among local and state officials supporting her efforts.
Knowing that we have people on board that are doing that side of it for us is just, that in itself is a huge weight off of my shoulders.
Donations to the Giambalvo's GoFundMe will help pay for attorneys to advocate for Cindy's Law. Laura says anything left after legal fees will go towards scholarships for Cal Poly students to honor Cindy's decades-long career there. In Arroyo Grande, Michaela Richardson, KSBY News.